Hey there, natural born vitalists. Before you check out this video, I want to share with you a system of movement that works directly with the nervous system called neural mapping. And the benefits, as you know, it's such a buzzword. The nervous system is the master computer of all things, your body, your mind, your social engagement. So I've created this system of movement and awareness that literally maps out the nervous system to help you perform better, feel better, feel more confident. It's all within the nervous system. And contrary to popular belief, you don't need a neuroscientist. It's already here. That's the way that it was built, is that it's in our own hands. So check out the link below, and I hope to see you there. Enjoy the video. All right, hey there, natural born vitalists, Sage here, and I'm gonna share with you how to release your fascia, and so that you can be more flexible way faster, so that when you wake up in the morning, it is your baseline to be more flexible faster, and to be more mobile, more flowing. And I get this question all the time: how do I be strong and supple at the same time? It seems to be where our modern day fitness approach doesn't find that balance. Even yoga doesn't find that balance, because it's not about the muscles, it's about the joints, it's about the fascia, and it's about the nervous system. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to show you how to release from your toes all the way to your fingertips and your head a tissue that is very supple and mobile, but it gets locked up. And when it gets unlocked, you're going to feel stronger, because that your movements can flow now. And when you flow, it's like a wave. You got that power, you got speed. Also, you're just gonna feel better, like nutrition is gonna be flowing through your body. The thing to know here is it doesn't take a long time. Really go by this motto: practice the way you want to perform. What that means is do excellent technique. Don't worry about how long you're doing it. Just do really good technique, and then frequency is key. I do this like when I'm filling up the gas tank, or just literally 5 seconds to 5 minutes. So here we go. First one we're gonna start with is gonna be swings above the head here. Get a better angle. Okay. And yet a better angle. Okay. So what we're gonna do, first thing is keep your alignment. Now, I'm not gonna go into it too much, but feet on top of the knee, below the knees, knees on top of the feet, hips on top of the knees, chest, hip, rib girdle area on top of the hips, head on top of the shoulders. Now, check out my video. It's called Aligned Stillness. Okay, that will give you more information on specifically how to do that. Don't skip it. It is absolutely key. Brilliance at the basics. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is aligned stillness, and then we're gonna take our arms and we're gonna swing straight up. Okay, and you wanna keep your body in that alignment. And just freely swinging your arms. It's not a controlled thing. The left goes in front of the right, right goes in front of the left. Just do a couple more. Okay, good. Now, the key here is to know that the core is really working, okay? Now, I can explain to you what that means. Have you ever seen, or maybe when you lift your head up above your arms above your head, either your butt comes out or your head comes like this, right? That's that fascia pulling, because everything is connected, right? So if you go like this and everything goes like this, then we are now training compensation. The way to overcome that is to, again, align your body. Keep your core is going to be working here, nice and strong, and maybe slow it down. Keep your body nice and tall while you do it, okay? Now, if you can only go here before you go like this, the main thing is keep your body upright. So maybe do a little less, that's okay. Okay, until you can get a nice long swing. Okay, the other thing, don't let your hips go back and forth. Keep them nice and centered, okay? Not back like this and not too far forward like this. All right, second one. This is called vertical leg swing. Okay, this is all great for martial arts as well. This is all a blend of different things. Get this camera down a little bit. Okay. So what we're gonna do is preferably barefoot, and we're gonna take the, we'll go left foot first, okay? And we're gonna reach the right foot up, okay? Now same thing with the alignment, keep it nice and aligned. And we're gonna do opposite leg and hand swing. So right leg, left hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yep, keep the balance. And 8, 9, and 10. There we go, okay. 10, 15, 20, however many you need. Got a lot of rocks here, but hey, that's why we do this, okay? All right, so now the key again is your body. Just as with the arms, your core I mean, just as with the arms, your body, your neck girdle, and this hip girdle area tend to, if you're tight, want to do this. You know, they want to compress. We're going to keep everything nice and open, and then we're going to move with it open as well. And we're going to pump it, pumping that fascia, okay? So the thing to be aware of is it's less important to go high than it is to keep your alignment, okay? Yeah, there's a little bit of movement in the body and the spine. Core is nice and strong. Breathing. And then as you can keep your alignment, you can go higher. You can reach your arms out more. Ooh, almost lost it. Okay, so let's try the other side now. So we're gonna go right foot planted, left foot. Give myself a little, there we go. Okay, left foot is gonna swing. So you can start like this, right foot, hand forward, left foot forward. And nice alignment in the core, nice and strong. Losing my balance. Okay, here we go. Couple more. There we go, that's more stable. Okay, good. Okay, so that is the vertical leg swing. Now, this is all, like I said, martial arts, so you're learning martial arts here as well. This will build your confidence just because of the fact that it is from martial arts. Okay, now, this is the side kick swing. So what we're gonna do here is plant the right foot, or if you wanna mirror me, plant the left foot, and then you're gonna turn your left hip so that your butt is facing mostly up, your foot is facing back towards you at an angle, and your toes are pulling, and your heel is pushing, okay? So it's a side kick, if anybody knows a side kick. So your heel is the longest part out. Okay, now we're gonna keep the body nice and aligned. We're not gonna go like this or like this. We're gonna keep it nice and upright. We're gonna swing straight up. And there's a little bit of motion back, but not much. All right, good. Okay, so other side now. Here we go. And for me, left foot is planted. You're gonna face that left foot back a little bit, and then right hip, we're gonna turn it in right here. This is where all the energy is coming. Nice and solid right there, okay? And all right, good. Okay, so these things here are, that thing not only does it work with the fascia and loosen you up and all that, but if you notice, a lot of humans walk like this. And where's our energy going? Woo! Right out. Okay? So we actually have overdeveloped these muscles that pull our legs and toes out so that we walk more like a duck, generally, not always. So here in martial arts, what we learn, Tai Chi, all these energy arts, Qigong, is to keep our energy in alignment and also to direct it, okay? So a lot of triangles. So what we're doing here is when we do this, we're actually training our body so that we walk like this, keep in alignment. Now that alone will heal things in your hips and your back and your legs, your feet, you know, it's all connected. So by starting with these basics of alignment and doing these movements that release your fascia, so many other things are going to start opening up and healing, more fluid, more strength, you know, the things that generally people want. Like, I want to look better, I definitely want to feel better. All these things come with a more natural, holistic approach. Okay, it's actually a lot of the times the fitness gyms and stuff that are messing things up because it's so unnatural, it's so abnormal. Okay, I didn't go through it all, but just these 3 things that we worked, these things have multi-function that will support you in your daily life.